Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by cleaning and drying the case and earbud stems thoroughly. This removes oils so the skin adheres. Once done, select the Pro 2 template and separate front, back, and stem pieces. Position the case halves first. Align edges and camera/LED cutouts, then lightly tack one corner. Use tweezers for small tabs. Press toward the center to avoid bubbles and make sure the piece sits flush before moving to the next component. Now focus on curved areas and stems. Warm the skin slightly to increase flexibility, then stretch it gently over radii. You'll find working from the center outward prevents wrinkles, so press with a squeegee while keeping tension. For stems and tight cutouts, use tweezers to tuck edges into seams and rotate the earbud as you work. If misalignment occurs, lift slowly and reheat. Repositioning is easier when the adhesive is warm. Make sure hinge clearance remains smooth for closing. Finish by securing all edges. Run the squeegee with firm strokes, then heat corners and press down to lock the adhesive. Inspect the charging port, hinge motion, microphones, and force sensor for interference. Test button clicks and a close/open cycle. If you see a small bubble, lift that area, reheat, and smooth from center outward. Avoid sharp needles. For a permanent crease or torn cutout, it's faster to swap to a new skin than to risk compromising fit, so keep spares handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.